how to mute or unmute on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute or unmute on Clubhouse. So how do you mute or unmute? It is very simple. The first step is to launch the Clubhouse app on your phone, just like I've done here. Then you can now go ahead to enter a room where you're a speaker. So create a room right away. So you can just click on the search icon, click on start a room if you don't belong to any room. All right, if you belong to the rooms, you will see all of the rooms here. Select room where you're a speaker. But if you are not a speaker or in a room, you can set to start your room. So by setting a room, you can see the option to start to go live. You can see odds to talk and the like. So just click on type to go live, click on go live. And now once you go live, automatically your mic will be muted. So in order for you to unmute, just tap on the mic this way and your mic will be unmuted. As you can see, as I'm speaking, it is reading my voice. Now to unmute the mic or to mute the mic, click on this and the mic will be muted. To mute, click on it again. So just locate where the microphone icon is on the room page and then go ahead to mute or mute by tapping and clicking on the microphone icon. I hope the tutorial has helped you. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.